Welcome to Rustbusters Installation Guide for Chevy GMC's 1999 to 2006 Silverado and Sierra. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Remove the bed mount bolt and bushing. Cut off the factory center bed mount. Then, grind the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Paint the part with a weldable primer to help prevent the risk of rust formation. Step 3. Hold the part up to the frame and mark off its coverage using the paint marker. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld the part onto the frame before welding it on fully. Finally, coat the part and work area with a primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. Reinstall your bolt and bushing. Then you're done!